We're in my cabinet shop, and here safety is first. So we got the sleeves, so when you're sanding, grinding, you know, the little particles don't go into your hands. So we're gonna try them out, see how they work. The other thing you could use this sleeves is, like, a lot of the times we're out in the sun, and that way you don't get burned when you're working on a really hot summer day.